Next topic is aquatic microbiology. Aquatic microbiology deals with the study of microbes of aquatic system such as fresh or salt water system. It includes microscopic plants, animal, bacteria, viruses and fungi and their behavior, relations with other microorganisms in aquatic environment. Many microorganisms play fundamental role in aquatic system by capturing the sun energy through photosynthesis and through their role in decomposition, releasing nutrients stored in organic tissues. Aquatic organisms generally fall into three broad groups, that is plankton, nekton and benthons. They vary in how they move and where they live. Elevated levels of bacteria in streams can affect water quality, health of the ecosystem and inactivates such as fishing, swimming and wading. There are four types of aquatic ecosystem, that is freshwater and marine water are the two main systems. Freshwater and marine environment mark a primary break in aquatic ecosystems. Marine environment contains a high level of salinity, whereas freshwater areas usually contain less than 1%. Freshwater ecosystem includes ponds and lakes as well as river streams. Marine ecosystem include ocean and coral reefs. Ponds and lakes are relatively still bodies of water with little or no current, generally isolated from other bodies of water such as river and oceans. They are divided into three distinct zones, that is littoral, limnitic and distinct zone. River and streams are moving bodies of water that flow from a source such as spring or melting glacier to a mouth which could be at an ocean, a larger stream or river or some other type of reservoir. Oceans are some of the most diverse and geographically expansive ecosystem on earth. Ocean ecosystems are divided into four zones, that is intertidal, pelagic, benthic and abyssal. Coral reef ecosystems are situated in the ocean, but due to their physical and biological decomposition, they are very distinct from other marine ecosystems. Coral reef form in shallow water with warm temperature. Aquatic ecosystems are generally divided into two types, the marine and the freshwater ecosystem as previously said. The largest water ecosystem in the marine covering is marine ecosystem, which is covering 70% of the earth's surface. Ocean, coral reef and coastal ecosystem are the various kinds of marine ecosystem. Aquatic microbiology is the science that deals with the microscopic living organism in fresh or salt water system. While ecosystem microbiology can encompass all microorganisms including microscopic plants and animals, it more economically refers to the study of bacteria, virus and fungi and their relations to other organisms in the aquatic environment. Aquatic microorganisms include bacteria, viruses, and fungi. These are widely distributed throughout aquatic environments. They can be found in freshwater, rivers, lakes and streams, in the surface water and sediments of the world's oceans and even in hot springs. They have been even found supporting diverse communities at hydrothermal events in the depth of the ocean. Aquatic microorganisms can be formed living in environments where there are extremes in other physical parameters such as pressure, sunlight, organic substances, dissolved gases and water clarity. So, important of aquatic microbiology is aquatic microorganisms and their activities are of greatest importance in many ways. That is, they may affect the health of the human and other animal life. They occupy a key position in the food chain by providing rich nourishment for the next higher level of aquatic life. They are instrumental in the chain of biochemical reactions which accomplish recycling of elements, for example in mineralization. Aquatic microbiology, which in previous decades was studies by a relatively few microbiologists, has emerged as one of the more important areas of applied microbiology. Distribution of aquatic microorganisms in aquatic environments includes microorganisms in the aquatic environment may occur at all depths ranging from the surface region to the very bottom of the ocean tracks. The top layer, especially the surface film and the bottom sediments harbor the higher concentration of microorganisms, particularly in the deep water. This is about the aquatic microbiology.